Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the assets and importing them into VideoStar. First, convert your captions to SRT or VTT. This keeps timestamps intact, which is crucial for sync. Once done, create a CC/QR PNG at 1024 x 1024 with high contrast so the scanner reads cleanly. Then import that PNG into your VideoStar media library. Make sure to name files clearly so you can find the QR and captions quickly when you begin placing and timing them. You now place the QR into the timeline and sync it to your captions. This is the detailed step where precision matters. Put the QR image on a track above your footage and set an initial scale. 1/2 often fits mobile screens without blocking faces. Then create markers at caption start points and nudge the QR clip to line up with each spoken phrase. Make small position and scale keyframes to keep the QR visible and unobstructed as the scene changes, because viewers must scan cleanly. You finish by exporting and testing. This final pass confirms everything works in real use. Export at the source resolution and test the QR with at least 3 different phones. Different apps and cameras behave differently. If the code won't scan, increase contrast, scale up the QR, or add 1/2 second to its on-screen duration. Any of those fixes usually resolves reading errors. Lastly, save a backup project copy before your final render so you can quickly fix anything without rebuilding from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.